If you're over 60 and your vision feels worse in the morning than at night, something may be happening to your eyes while you sleep, and most people never realize it. You wake up with dry, burning eyes. Words look blurry at first. Lights feel harsh. And by evening, you're squinting again, even with glasses. Most people think this is just aging, but that's not the full truth. For many older adults, eye damage quietly increases at night when the eyes lose moisture, nutrients, and protection. The good news is, some of the most powerful support for aging eyes doesn't come from drops or surgery. It comes from simple oils used at the right time. Today, I'll share 4 natural oils that gently support eye repair while you sleep. They're easy, affordable, and backed by how the body actually heals. Oil number 1, extra virgin olive oil. Nighttime eye moisture. As we age, the protective tear layer on the eyes becomes thinner. That's why dryness, itching, and morning discomfort appear. Extra virgin olive oil helps because it reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 major causes of age-related eye irritation. It contains powerful antioxidants that support retinal cells during the body's nighttime repair cycle. Taking 1 tablespoon of high-quality cold-pressed olive oil before bed may help reduce dryness and soreness within a few weeks. Important, this is not nutrition, not cooking. Choose dark bottle cold-pressed olive oil, never refined or heated. Oil number 2, avocado oil, supporting sharp central vision. The center of your vision comes from a small but vital area of the eye. This area weakens with age due to light damage and oxidation. Avocado oil naturally contains nutrients that collect inside this area, helping filter harsh light and support visual clarity. Because it's rich in healthy fats, these nutrients are absorbed better than many supplements. Adding 1 teaspoon with dinner or in the evening helps nourish your eyes when repair begins. Oil number 3, flaxseed oil, calming eye inflammation. If your eyes feel red, watery, or irritated, inflammation may be the cause. Flaxseed oil is rich in plant-based omega-3s that help calm inflammation throughout the body, including the eyes. Many older adults notice improved comfort and tear quality after consistent use. Take 1 tablespoon after dinner or use capsules if the taste is too strong. This oil works slowly but gently and reliably. Oil number 4, fish oil, protecting the retina. The retina depends heavily on omega-3 fats to stay healthy. Without enough, the risk of vision decline increases. High-quality fish oil supports retinal cells and helps reduce inflammation linked to age-related vision problems. Take fish oil with your last meal of the day so your body can use it during nighttime repair. Look for purified fish oil with clearly labeled DHA and EPA. How to use them safely. You don't need to use everything at once. You can use olive oil before bed, add avocado oil to meals, take flaxseed oil after dinner, or use fish oil capsules at night. Consistency matters more than perfection. Small daily habits protect vision far better than occasional effort. If you're watching this, it means you still care about your eyesight, and that matters. It is not too late. Your eyes still respond to care. They still repair. They still deserve support. If this video helped you, comment below which oil you'll try first. Your comment may help someone else. And if you want more simple, natural guidance for aging with clarity and strength, subscribe to Feel Fresh 360. Take care of your eyes, take care of your body, and never believe it's too late to protect your health.